Hello everybody, this is Lance Kutnick at Scion Law Firm. Purpose of today's video is to introduce myself to new people and reintroduce myself to my friends and family, but maybe more importantly, my former clients and referral partners. I am not my business, however. I am a husband, a father, a son, and a brother. Family is my everything. My wife and I are also travelers and have redesigned our lives and businesses to allow our travel adventures. If you'd like, I'd love to speak with you further about that. I was previously a public servant, a prosecutor at the Nueces County and Texas Attorney General's offices. I was proud of my public service and I loved it. However, there's always kind of a hole in my heart because you see, representing victims, you're never making things completely right. You may obtain justice, but you're never making a victim whole. Now I have a new mission and a new form of service to the public. My job now is to educate you and others about the importance of estate planning to make sure you and your family have taken care of you and your loved ones. Some studies suggest 2/3 of America does not have an estate plan. That is just not acceptable or prudent. There's just so much that could go wrong not having an estate plan. And even if a tragedy does not result, there's so much benefit to having a customized estate plan and legacy plan suited for you and your family. My law firm's mission statement is to keep our clients and families out of conflict in court. That will be a big part of our upcoming content, avoiding court or the probate process. There's just no need for it. There's downsides to it and so much benefit to not having to go through court. So what are the plans going forward? Well, previously my lovely wife did content for the law firm. Going forward, I am going to get personal with you. I will be spreading the message about the importance of estate and legacy planning and pushing content out to various platforms. My purpose is not to annoy or to solicit, but to educate. I hope you will appreciate my efforts and maybe sometimes quirky way of communicating with you. At the end of the day, we are going to be discussing some unpleasant topics, namely incapacity and death. But that doesn't mean we have to be ultra serious about it. At least that is my style. Some people are afraid to have these discussions. They think they may bring something upon themselves, but that is simply not true. But life being life, something will eventually happen to each and every one of us. Hopefully that is well down the road, but it is prudent and responsible to have plans in place now for the just in case. I am excited about this new chapter for Scion Law Firm. I hope you enjoy the journey with me. As always, I'm always available to chat about any of this, and I hope to speak with you soon.